Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cash back with Chase Freedom. To increase cash back with your Chase Freedom card, start by familiarizing yourself with the card's cashback categories. Chase Freedom offers rotating categories that change every quarter. Visit the Chase website or mobile app to check which categories are currently eligible. Each cardholder can earn 5% cash back on up to a set amount spent in those categories. Plan your purchases around these categories to maximize your cashback. Next, keep an eye on the annual limit for earning 5% cash back. For any spending beyond that limit, you'll earn 1% cash back. Consider using your Chase Freedom card for everyday expenses in the top spending categories. Some common examples include groceries, gas stations, or dining out. Make sure to activate your bonus categories each quarter. You can do this easily through your online account or mobile app. After activation, track your spending to ensure you reach the bonus limit. Additionally, think about combining your Chase Freedom card with a Chase Sapphire card. This strategy allows you to transfer points between cards, potentially increasing your overall rewards. Enroll in the Chase Ultimate Rewards program for added benefits. Utilizing shopping portals can further enhance your cash back earning potential. Access Chase's online shopping portal to find retailers offering additional cashback. Lastly, be mindful of promotional offers and sign-up bonuses on your card. These can provide significant boosts to your overall cashback rewards. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your cashback earnings with your Chase Freedom card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.